Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we will make the style for link in hover condition and also learn how we can style elements in hover for an active condition. So without wasting any time, we should start now. So just I am writing a basic HTML format which we all know. We will write another nav for storing the links in them, and then and we will store the links in the list item. Okay, so we will make first list item right now, and then we will close it. Okay, and now save it. Now we will specify the list item in under anchor tab. Okay, so our first list item is, let's call it home, and just copy it. Let's first, I'm giving them class so that I don't have to waste time at the last. So class link item. Oh, I have to give class to the anchor tab, sorry. Here just copy it and paste. Okay, just change the name of there. Okay, and we will actually also give logo to it. So for logo we will make another div inside this div, and then in h1 element we will write logo and close it. Okay, so now we will install the our HTML work is done. Now we will use CSS and we will style all the elements here. So let's come to CSS. First we should do the basic styling which all professional developers are doing before writing the CSS query for the HTML elements. So this is, first you should have to give a star for defining property to all of the element and each of the element. So first margin should be 0, padding should also be 0, and last box sizing should equal to box. Let's forget it for now because it is not a very big website. We are just in learning phase. Now body, font family, let's Rubik and sans serif class. Sorry, yes, just save it, and you can see font family is changed now. I should have to give class name to all of them, I forgot. Just called it link and called it logo, and we should call it container because we will store the logo and the link in one single flex box. So we will use flex property here. Now we are going to our container class. Display flex. Now see this, these are aligned in horizontal direction using flex box property, and now we will give the gap between logo and all the items in the nav tag. So for doing this we will write justify content space between. Now we'll save it, and you can see there is a space created between all of the logo and nav tag. Now we will define the link. We will define the link side by side, just like logo and the whole link list. For doing this, we will write link display flex. So you can see right now all items are aligned line by line. We should give some gap between them, so called it 20 pixel. Okay, we will not use RAM there because it is not a very big project, so I only use pixels. Now we should have to style these all the elements. So for styling these all elements, we will take each class for every element which is link item. So I have taken first class. Now first I have to hidden this styling mark from here, so I have to go to its link parent class. Here we will write list style none. Yes, these all are gone. First, oh, we have not given href to there, that's why we are now getting over condition there. Href, I am just copying it from here, that you can see here this condition comes. Now all elements are becoming looking like link, so we are continuing there. So for removing this automatically built underline here, we will use text decoration to none. Okay, now we will increase the font size. Let's call 20 pixel. Okay, we will because all the properties are not inherited to this link class, so we will have to specify the font family there, because you can see there is no sans serif background font family there. By mistake I have not tried this dot dash mark, so that's why these properties are not inherited there. Okay, now we will continue. Now we will not actually define the logo and what are this condition, we will only style these link elements now. So I am giving this color, let's call it 444 hashtag. This is a bit of gray color. Now we will give some of padding to the elements. Let's first give them some background color. Let's give it some red, just for showing you how these are looking like after giving some background color. Sorry, not hashtag. Now you can see there is not so much space for there, so we will give them some padding. And in padding property there are many ways for defining padding. So there are two things here which I will show you. If we give first property there like 2 pixel, so it will apply to both up and down, and now we will give it 3 pixel to left and right. I think there is some problem going on here. Now we will give some padding to the bottom of this Now we will give some padding to the bottom of this all the links. So I will define the padding of bottom is 2 pixel. So you can see some increasing is there, like let's call it 4 pixel. Okay, so I just give you the background color for showing you how the padding works inside the elements, and margin is little bit different from it. Some students are using margin, so please avoid it because it will only affect outside of the body, not inside of the body. Okay, right. So we will have to give some hover condition to them. Let's remove background color because it is little bit annoying me. Okay, now define bottom margin to these links. So for defining margin bottom, we will use bottom border bottom. First we will define the width of border 2 pixel, then the which type of border we will defining, let's call it solid, and the color of border let's call like let's take the same color which is of the links 444, and you can see there is a border created in all of the elements separately. Okay, now we will define the hover condition. For defining hover condition we will use pseudo class. Let's do it. Item, we called it the colon, which is used for defining the pseudo class, and hover. We will also have to define the active condition. And now what we want in the hover condition, we want this link, this border to be imaged when we click on all of these links. So first I have to give the same color which is the white to there, which is FFF. Now in margin bottom, in the hover condition, we will give the same color as there, which is 444. So I am showing you something. See this, a very good margin bottom is created in all of the elements separately, but it is not like good looking so much good because immediately it generates when we click on them. There is no transition, no animation. So now we will give it some transition so that it will generate little bit by taking some more time. So for this we will use transition. First we will have to define how many elements we want to be transmitted. So we want all elements, write all, and the time of duration which we want to be there. So for practice and for teaching you, I am giving some more time, which is 1 second, and see what happens. It takes some time to generate, but it look like taking too much time. So we will define standard here 0.4 or 0.3 maybe. It is looking like good, and there is a not too much space between this header and these links here. So we will create some top margin there. We will go to container class and we will define margin top 2 pixel, 20 pixel. So there is a space, very good space created between them, and you can see these elements are looking very much good than before now. So that's it for today. For any other queries or any other subject related thing which you want to learn, you can comment down in the comment box. Thank you very much, and subscribe our channel. And this is my first video, so you all can relate. I am not very much good in this condition, but I am very good in coding and all of this stuff. You can ask in the comment section. I am just improving my communication skill and English also.